Sometimes we're so captivated by the battle, we forget to notice the battlefield. We visited the factory where chessboards are made and uncovered the answer to a question many have asked. Why are these carefully crafted boards so deeply cherished by so many people? My job is to ensure that all the materials used in the manufacturing of the chessboards are of the highest quality and that all the work is done precisely and with good materials, so that at the end of the process we obtain a chessboard with the correct, exact measurements and with a fine and delicate finish, allowing players to slide their pieces smoothly and pleasantly across the board. Chessboards undergo a very artisanal process with many stages. First, we select the woods. Second, we cut and precisely shape each square and assemble them to create a perfect board. This requires not only good machinery, but also skilled artisans who know how to handle, join, and assemble all the pieces of the chessboard. Well, here we choose the wood, the veneer, each color to begin the chess set assembly process. Okay, and on this particular machine, we cut the veneer to the size of the squares they ask for. 5, 5.5, 6. Basically, what we do is cut the sheet metal to size, and then with this machine we have behind us, we join it using a hot wire that melts it in order to get the size the client wants. Here we apply the final finish to the chess sets and boards. We apply a base coat to the lining and the front side, and then we apply a finishing layer to the edges, the front side, and the lining, either matte or glossy, depending on the client's preference. Because we carefully select a combination of woods for each type of chess piece. Depending on the pieces, we craft a board that matches their type and wood color. One of the most beautiful stories that happened to us was when a customer requested a personalized chessboard to be used in a series that became a worldwide success. Thanks to that chessboard, we also had the great joy of having contributed to the success of that movie.